Let's go. You know the fucking vibrations, bitch. What's the deal? If you make rates and they're wrong, you're fucked. If you use no rates and it makes rates, you're chilling.
Oh my god. Wait, when the fuck did everyone get here? Shit.
I hit on undefeated.
Nice. Did you see my size I hit this morning, AJ?
Oh, size 19?
Size 16, bitch.
Ooh, let's fucking go. Let's fucking go.
Do you know the sad thing about it?
No.
You do, trust me.
Ooh.
The one profile that hit for me was my French reshipping, so I've got to pay fucking reshipping fees to get that over, right?
Effing the
Second,
that's
it's only gonna cost like a $10, it's not that much. Oh. But here's the thing, I had like 26, 27 declines on slots, yeah? All for insufficient funds. Well, I'd have nearly hit a fucking 30 clip, but these dumbasses didn't have money.
That changes things.
Should I rent it for $90?
Hell no.
And only a Phantom is sold.
Bro, is Trady even here?
Nah.
Yeah, I forgot he don't wake up till like 12. Hey Frosty, how do you tell if something is easy mode or AYCD?
If it's got all them colors, it's easy mode.
Yeah, cause he got colored in blocks and shit. Alright. So Frosty, if I send you this form, could you put it in the AYCD thing for me?
Yeah.
Cause I just don't know what to do.
If I'm renting a bot, should I do goods and services?
My capture, dudes.
Yeah, my capture, bro. Bro, this is awful.
Let's go.
How do you fucking always hit? God damn. PD.
Oh, something.
Ref.
Dang, yo. The captures are
Yeah.
I got no shipping available. I'm done.
What size did I get?
Yeah, I got variant. I'll load it. Amazing.
Let me see.
Bro, my captures are awful.
Really? Huh. Guess who just DM'd?
Oh fuck. Oop, wrong product.
Ooh.
Oh.
With the
Bitch.
decline today, bro.
Yeah.
So Kiwi, what'd you learn today?
I don't
What's
know.
with this one?
No, I mean we went over
Finish
this.
line, finish line. Yeah,
I didn't learn not to yell.
I just hit 3 on finish line.
Oh, nice.
I hit 4 card decline.
Ooh.
I'm hitting all card declines from Vic. From the Vic.
See?
Let's-
See?
Alright,
Hey,
delete
hey,
release,
what did
delete
I-
release.
Yeah, Mans is out of here.
All his shit.
Didn't I tell you that
Mess
your
up.
shit would get fucked up and you would say, "Damn, I should have ran straight."
No, I should hit
shipping.
once to him with the rest
tell
of
him.
the I didn't know.
24.
Tell his ass.
Dude,
Bro,
I'm
24.
stopping. Yeah, I hit once on his card
Have
and
I?
now it's declining all.
Damn, that's crazy. That's crazy.
He has an
submitting
Amex too,
order
right?
on a bunch.
No, it's the Bank
I'm
of America.
fucking-
Oh, I could have told you Bank of America's trash, bro.
Oh, he got a bank of them. Oh no.
No,
Oh
he has student-
no. Hell
student
no.
takes an Amex.
Man,
Shut up, DJ.
Y'all done up and down. Oh, brr.
Mid-drop breakfast.
Bank of America.
Let's
Oh,
go.
Lord, bro.
Bitch,
Let's go. Kodai
we
going.
are hitting.
I'm just in queue on all of them.
You and Q can relate, brother.
This man saying was so
Hey, did
tight.
Shane leave?
Yeah.
Damn, the homie.
Fuck this.
That's my guy. Hey, Vic.
Damn, Vic,
they
what's
sent
going
you,
on?
Vic, they sent you
Whoa,
a broke
whoa.
boy, bro. What's the deal?
Damn, Vic, what's going on? They out here shitting on your
Crowd hit one.
Oh,
Yo,
it's a fucking unicorn.
Bro, it's not my cards.
Bro, what you mean it ain't your cards,
What you
bro?
mean you're not a broke boy? If you don't check out, you a broke boy. Them the rules. I don't make the rules.
No available
I have
profits.
two.
Just now.
Oh wait, is BSM dropping these things?
If I don't
Oh
hit
shit!
one, I'm trying
Oh
to
shit!
Yeah. This,
Let me check.
tweaking.
Look, I pulled the.
I'm fucking putting.
Does a Kid See Ghost animated show? What the fuck?
DSM.
No, dude watching hentai? What?
God damn.
Trey's
Plus.
into it. Trey's into
Plus.
I don't get it.
Yo, man.
Where's PD keywords at? Keywords.
W. Damn, Kiwi. You know what?
That's crazy.
You know what's
That's
crazy,
crazy.
bro? If you had ran from me, that would all be success.
Yo, Trey.
That's crazy.
Very wild.
Hey, Trey is honestly king of like the Kiki while you down.
Oh, for sure. And
Like,
then when you
it's
kick
not
him
even
while he's
close.
down, he rage quits and shit.
What you?
Oh, no.
can't.
You haven't
You know, he shoved. You know.
What?
Oh,
Whoa, wait, what?
oh, spicy town.
Copping Kanye X Gap for my dad, no cap.
Spicy town.
Add in the cart. Yo, it's gonna be just like yesterday, man. 5 hours? What?
I told you.
Fucking
getting fucking cookies for this.
if these declines weren't happening,
He's not happy.
could have had more.
Big.
Shit, I ain't happy because you declined.
Oh,
The fuck?
damn.
Chill.
It's funny how that works.
Bro, I'm gonna end up with K.
I'll play it safe.
No, don't say that.
Well, you won't because I'm actually only running you 10 dollars. That's the thing.
Shut up.
Oh, here we go. Oh, it starts early. I forgot. I'm about to say, oh,
What
it's
starts
a new
early?
time. Kodai.
Yeah, Kodai starts right.
I was about to say, yeah, I forgot about
Kodai?
like what?
Damn, Drake cooked already?
Jeez,
Out
bro.
of stock, out of stock.
Out of stock? That's crazy.
I'm a shit. I need my camera to fucking charge.
Why?
Goofy guys. Goofy.
Traffic lights,
Traffic lights.
cars.
Cars.
Traffic lights.
Cars.
Submitting the billing email too.
Polaris
And
crashed.
proxies are going to shit
Um,
on that one.
chimneys,
F&F is not liking finish line at all.
meters.
There's no size 12.5. No.
12.5.
Yeah.
Nike
Oh, okay.
only.
F&F is not liking finish line or foot sites.
Damn, I hit hella pictures.
Submitting shipping, submitting billing.
I'm submitting
One
on
foot
so
sites.
many, bro.
Got one.
Oh, I heard
Oh, yeah,
that.
yeah,
I heard
Let's
that.
go. I got one.
I heard that. I don't know who hit. I definitely
I think
heard
I
it.
hit
though.
2. Yeah, I hit 2 on DTLR.
Okay. Ethan. I'm submitting on foot sites.
Got one on Foot Locker.
Hey.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm submitting on
Submitting
so
billing.
many.
Bro, what's
I'm
the
submitting on like 3,000.
deal?
Submitting billing.
Come on, Hibbit, what's the deal?
Submitting order. Oh,
Petey.
shit. I forgot about Hibbit. My goofy ass.
Sorry, 11.5.
See?
You said it.
I'm so goofy. How did I
Yeah,
actually
you
forget about that?
Process my payment,
I'm
size
getting
12.
I'm getting out of stock on
Hibbit?
sites. No.
Alright,
Oh.
so
It's not out of sight. Out of stock. I know that.
Hibbit's being goofy.
nah, I
It's
hit on
really
Hibbit.
slow. It's really slow, right?
Oh shit, I didn't.
Very slow. Alright, here we go.
Checked out one, size 12.
I think I
Damn.
hit 2.
Whatever.
I hit that.
No, on East Bay.
I'm submitting. I'm submitting 3 orders
Where's
right
11
now.
and a half at?
Production.
11 and a half.
Oops, there's a problem. Wait, what?
Oopsie poopsie.
Oopsie
hold.
poopsie, I'm
Oh,
dead.
here we go again.
DTLR's out of stock.
Yeah, being out of stock. You know the vibes, man.
The vibrations.
Submitting shipping on the size 12.
Payment, what am I looking for?
Oh,
Got
Palm
one.
trees, Palm trees.
Got one off
yeah.
production so far.
Bridges, boom.
I didn't even run production.
Got 2. Apple Pay.
I just hit.
Oh, here we go. Jesus.
Oh
JD
no, I've just been
Sports.
payment declined
Oh,
3
yeah,
times.
here it
4
comes.
times.
Here they
Here
come.
we go.
4.
Nike.
That's
Oh
4.
my God.
That's 4. One time, 3 or 4 at one
I'm
time.
just constantly declining. What the fuck?
That's 6. At like 2 more at one time.
Oh shucks, bro.
That's JD though.
Had finish line hit for y'all
Yeah.
at all? Okay.
Oh wait, no, this is JD
Process
right
my
now.
payment,
I'm getting
come on now.
success and declines, but
I'm going.
Alright, so you stuck mine.
Wait, who's running me?
No available proxies. God damn
Is
it.
it Sam?
Alright, got one off Hibbit.
yeah, try to run you.
I got 2 off Hibbit.
Maybe.
Another one.
Yeah. That's a
Hibbit's out of stock.
Who is?
Hibbit.
Hit that.
Let's
Yeah,
freaking
hit
go.
bat.
Yeah, a lot of the declines went through.
I got 3 charges so far. Hold on, let me see my site.
Hit that.
Reds. Wait, on East Bay, the size 10, 12.
Wait.
Shit.
Good.
Wait. 30.
Get down on it.
Damn, they dropped on NBA store.
Crazy. It's crazy.
Wait, is Kodai hitting yet on finish line?
Yeah, I just hit one.
Cool. Yo,
I got another one off the finish line.
Going.
So everyone I declined on JD has actually charged.